Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Replit app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Replit is an online coding platform that allows users to write, run, and deploy code directly from their browser or mobile device. It supports over 50 programming languages, including Python, JavaScript, HTML, and C++, and features a real-time collaborative environment for building and sharing projects. With built-in hosting, a package manager, and an AI-powered coding assistant, Replit is designed to simplify the development process, even for beginners. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app runs smoothly and has an intuitive interface that works well even on smaller screens. Users praise its ability to code from anywhere without installing anything, and the multiplayer coding feature makes pair programming and group projects easy. The built-in version control and deployment options are also useful for testing and launching small apps directly from the platform. That said, there are limitations. Some users report lag on large projects or slower devices, especially in the mobile version. While the free tier is generous, advanced features like private repls, more storage, or faster execution require a paid plan. Also, the mobile editing experience, while functional, isn't ideal for long sessions or complex projects. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Replit is a great tool for learning, experimenting, or quickly prototyping code across devices. Its collaborative features, ease of use, and multi-language support make it ideal for students and indie developers. However, for large-scale development or serious performance needs, it's best used as a companion to desktop tools. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.